Hey, little learners, welcome back to the Little Learners Classroom. Today, we're opening up our books and heading back to Egypt. Take a ride with us. Let's go. Whee! Wow, what a trip. We made it. Help us put our sentences in order. The camel found water in the desert. The camel felt very thirsty. The camel walked across the hot sand. These are out of order. Let's take a look and see what happened first. What do you think we can eliminate? That's right, the camel walked across the hot sand. Now we have left the camel found water in the desert and the camel felt very thirsty. What happened first? That's right, the camel felt very thirsty. Next, we have the camel found water in the desert, and the camel walked across the hot sand. That's right, the camel walked across the hot sand next. Let's switch it up. So last, the camel found water in the desert. Hey, that's great, it came together. But something's still off. Oh no! Our scroll was attacked. Hey, something looks wrong. Do you see it? That's right. Our sentences, they start with lowercase letters. Let's fix it. Ah, that's better. Something still looks wrong. Do you see it? Hey, what's that? Oh, our periods. There they are. They're now at the end of our sentences. Oh, and away we go. Back to the Little Learners Classroom. Hey, great job, little learners, and thanks for joining us in ancient Egypt. Come along again to help us put our sentences in order. See you next time, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to the Little Learners Network.